Welcome back. A new year means a new crop of drivers will be hitting the road. But how safe is it to drive in Alabama? Mike White with the Floyd Hunter Personal Injury Attorneys is joining us now to let us know how to stay safe on the road. And thank you for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
Tell us a little bit. I mean, this is a scary situation to think teens behind the wheel getting out there on the roads.
It really is. Alabama has a graduated license program that we've talked about before. But new drivers are new drivers, and Alabama has a really high rate of accidents and a really high rate of accidents relating to speeding even.
Right. And I know we report a lot of times, wrecks and teens driving, whatever it is, speed's always a factor, and then not wearing a seatbelt, that's something as well.
It is. Alabama has the second highest rate of traffic fatalities in the country per driver, pardon me, and it's about 1,000 people die a year on our roads, and 600 or so of those don't wear seatbelts. It's the single easiest thing to do to be safe.
Right, just to buckle up when you first get in the car.
Absolutely.
And is Alabama, compared to other states, are we better, worse, kind of in the middle? Do you know?
Alabama's really bad for driving. It just is. We're the second highest rate, like we were talking about, of traffic fatalities. We also have the second highest rate of fatalities for teen drivers. And so it's just a bad thing in Alabama for whatever reason. We're such a high rate of not wearing a seatbelt is what I honestly think about the fatalities.
And what other things can we do? Wear a seatbelt? What are some others?
Don't drive distracted. The single biggest cause of accidents that I see and have seen for the last few years is people messing with their phones and having follow the law. The law doesn't allow your new driver to have a bunch of kids in the car with them. One person can be in the car usually, and don't let them just drive people around. I mean, they're distracted already. They don't know what they're doing, and it's just really important.
Right, and I know it's very tempting to get that phone and text or look at it, even just to look down for a couple seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't take but just a second, and it's getting to be the first generation of drivers really that never had a time where they didn't have a phone. Right. And you make them put it away. I mean, you don't owe your child a car. You don't owe that child that you'll let them drive your car. Make them put it in the trunk or turn it off or something. If they don't do it, enforce that. Don't let them drive.
Right. Very good advice. And your information's there on the screen so people can get in touch with you. And thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
And don't go away.